In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific CMS collection page in Webflow. This process revolves around creating dynamic and engaging web pages by leveraging the power of Webflow's CMS system. So grab your computer, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to the page where you want to add your CMS collection link. You'll want to add a collection list to this page. This is your starting point, your blank canvas, if you will, where all the magic begins. By adding this collection list, you're setting up the framework to display the items from your CMS collection. It's quite handy because it allows you to organize and stylize individual items collectively. Next, you'll need to set the source for this collection list. This is where you specify which collection's data will populate your list. It's an important step because it determines the content that you'll be working with. Head over to the settings panel and select the desired collection. Make sure you choose the one that aligns with your content display goals. Once your collection list is linked to the correct collection, it's time to add a link element within the collection item layout. You can consider using a link block for this, as it's versatile and allows for customization. Drag and drop the link block right inside the collection item. This means every item in your collection will have its very own link. It's perfect for when you want visitors to seamlessly navigate through different pages. Now, we need to configure the link settings to ensure that each link dynamically points to the corresponding CMS page. In the link settings panel, select the collection page option. This tells Webflow to connect each link block to a specific page from your CMS collection. You'll then choose the current item option. This is crucial. By doing so, you're ensuring that each link remains dynamically tied to its respective item, enabling visitors to click through to a more detailed page about that item. And that's it. You've now successfully set up dynamic links from your Webflow collection list to its specific CMS item pages. This setup not only enhances user navigation by providing direct access to detailed content, but also streamlines your site management, making updates simpler and more efficient. Remember, this powerful tool can transform how users interact with your site, offering them a more comprehensive and personalized browsing experience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and gives you the confidence to create more interactive and user-friendly web pages. If you have any questions or need further clarification about these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.